Smells so good. That's what you want though in a deodorant. Smell is everything. Okay. All right. So if you want to apply this deodorant, if you really want to get the girls, man, you want to pick up those babes, you take this deodorant, you go in your garage, okay? You put on a thick jacket and you climb on top of the shit in your garage. Whatever it is, just climb on top of it, okay? The more unstable, the better, because that will enhance the smell. It will enhance the attractive power of the Old Spice, okay? And you need to follow me very closely. This next step is the most important. The technique of how to apply. Okay, so you turn this exactly, I have already turned it exactly 8 times. You want to turn it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So 13 clicks exactly, okay? Absolutely has to be 13. If you go one more, it ruins it. It destroys it. So you take it, and then you might think, oh, you're thinking, okay, all right, yeah, you put it in your armpit, right? Yeah, no, wrong. You're stupid, okay? You take it and you put it on your chest, okay? You just rub it all over your chest. Now that it has been applied, you are okay to go and expose more of the good stuff, okay? You cannot take off your jacket yet. You can't take off the jacket. You gotta keep rubbing it on, okay? All right, this is the really important part. You really gotta get it in there. Do not leave any square inch of skin exposed. It has to be covered with a thick film, white layering of the Old Spice. You see that? You see that? You see that? That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay? All right, so you keep going. Make sure you get the nipples. Make sure you get the nipples. All right, nice. Good. Good, I need some more. All right, now that my entire chest is covered, now you can take off the jacket. Okay, all right. Once the jacket's off, now you apply it to the underarms. Expose more, get it right in there. Now you gotta press really firm right now. You gotta go really hard and make sure you do exactly 200 of these, okay? I'm counting, you just don't know it, it's in my head. I'm very used to this. I'm very good at this, so I know exactly how many I'm doing. Okay, next armpit. Just gotta get a little more here. All right, nice, nice, nice. Okay, now you turn this exactly 100 more times. Okay, now this next part is the absolute most important. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. You see that? Might not be focused. That right there, that's how much you need. Now you take this, okay, and you jam it right onto your solar plexus, okay? You raise it to the center chest, extend it to the nipples, back and forth. You repeat this twice.